Hi, it's Marlena from A Pen and a Purpose, and I just wanted to show you how to get your planner onto Goodnotes or your whatever note app you use, and then also just a little bit on how to use it. So I'm going to click the button, which is going to take me to my the Google Drive where you can download the planner. And my internet's slow, but what you would do next is you're going to hit the little box with the arrow pointing up, and it's going to say, where do you want to send it? So I typically would send it where it says open in Goodnotes, but if you don't have that, you can scroll through and find a note app, and if you can't find one that you have, you can hit more and it'll give you some suggestions. But what I'm going to do is actually just open it in Goodnotes, and what'll happen then is that I'm going to import it as a new document, and you can see it behind there because I have already imported it. So then once you're in your Goodnotes, you're going to go into wherever it was that you actually loaded that planner, and it's going to look like this. And so the way that you would use this is there's a couple of different ways. On the upper left hand corner, you can see there's 4 little boxes. You could click on those 4 little boxes and see all of the pages. And you could click on any of those pages to go to where you want. But what I think is more fun is to actually scroll to the next page, and you can see on the right hand side we have tabs. So notes, monthly, weekly, daily, finances, and tasks. And then some of these pages are actually going to have these boxes dotted, graph lined, and the way you're going to notice that is they have like a fuzzy black line around them. So it's not going to be the top where it says notes, that's just a title. So what's cool is that you can click on, I'm going to click on monthly, and it's going to go right to the monthly page, and then you can scroll to the next page there. If I wanted to go to, say, finances, I could click on finances, and then here you can see you do have some of those buttons. And so if I wanted to go and track my subscriptions, I could hit subscription tracker, and I'm right there. To go back to the front, you can either hit notes and then scroll one back, or like I said, you could go up to that little double or 4 square thing up at the top and start over. So that is the way that you would use your planner. Another really cool thing that you can do is, let's say that we go to the let's say we go to the monthly page, and I decide that I want another monthly page. I believe that actually no, there are 12 here, but I could hit the little it's like a paper with a plus sign up in the upper right hand corner. And from there, you can see current template. I can hit that and it's going to make a new one. So now I have an extra one. So as you're using your planner, you can continue to make more and more of the pages, so you're never actually going to run out. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, shoot me an email over at Marlena, Marlena, at apenandapurpose.com.